Who'd have thought Adidas and Simpsons collaborating together? I thought that's quite interesting. So I thought, let's see what they come up with. Today we're going to be looking at the Adidas ZX1000 Flaming Moes. These first released on the 12th of May and the retail price was $89.99. Adidas thought, let's not pay homage to the characters, let's pay homage to the food, beverages synonymous with Simpsons. So they brought out a series, and this being the third in the series. Every fanatic, Simpson fanatic, knows the story about the Flaming Moes and how it came about. But breaking it down, Homer got hustled by Moe, but it was Homer's recipe. Straight out of the box, standard, you get this box that comes with the ZX1000, and it is definitely a different type of box, and I like it. You know, I think this is quite cool. This pays great homage to the Simpsons, and it's a great collaboration where you can see the Adidas and the Simpsons sign together. So I think this is quite good. Drawer box, keeping it simple, drawer box. And once you open it, you got the paper inside, which shows the Adidas symbol, trefoil symbol, and the Simpsons beside it. First impressions of this trainer is wow, it is wild. So if you haven't seen it, there it is. This is wild. You know, the ZX1000 silhouette is a cool silhouette and part of the ZX series, and that's all good. You know, if you like the ZX1000 or you like the ZX series, you know what this trainer is all about. It is a running trainer. However, this is slightly different. If you're looking at the styling, the design, it's out there. You know, the purple is the first thing that grabs us. The purple is definitely that grabs us. And obviously, if you know what the Flaming Moes is, Flaming Moe is a purple drink. And that's Krusty the Crown cough syrup that was poured into the cocktail that Homer made. So you got all the characteristics of what made up the drink in this colorway. So you got the purple, so the trainer is majority purple on the upper. Then you got the red, which is symbolizing the flame, and they actually put a flame on this. It's a cool look from a caricature type thing, but in terms of the design, it is out there, definitely out there. Looking at this trainer, the quality looks quite good. It looks very good. So the materials that they've used looks premium, and I don't know if it's because of the finish, but it does look premium in the sense of not the expense of the material, but how they finished it. So we got like felt around the front toe box, felt around the eyelids, and you got felt around the back part where the heel is. Then you got the Adidas strips, which are leather, but to be honest, the leather itself doesn't look cheap. However, I do like the borders, the black borders that surrounds this trainer, giving it that cartoon caricature type feeling, and I think that is a good look. On the midsole, you got the white and you got the red. You got little red detail around there. It's pretty simple, but you know, it's a ZX1000 styling. And then you have at the outsole, you got on the outsole, you got the black patterned, typical ZX1000 patterned outsole, and then you got the lovely torsion bar, which if you see my previous ZX videos or my other Adidas type videos, I just love the torsion bar. Some of the nice touches, you got this lace jewel, they call it a jewel, lace jewel of the Flaming Moes with the flame, it lit up, so that's quite cool. And then you have the Flaming Moes on the tongue, which is again a cool look. So it's written in the cartoonish type writing. It comes with flat laces. You get another, okay, so you get in a box, you get two laces. You got the white that is fitted, and then you've got the black, and they've both got yellow tips, which again is cool, like in keeping with the colorway. It's very light shoe. It does feel like a very light shoe here. This is not my size, but big shout out to Damage Script for lending me these for a review. So, I mean, overall, this Adidas trainer, it actually gives you that Simpson vibe. It definitely gives you that Flaming Moe vibe. From a fashion point of view, I think this is more of a, well, you know, to be honest, you're gonna have to be very confident to wear this trainer. I think that this trainer is, even though you can get them in adult sizes, I think it will be more suitable for the youngins. And definitely, because there's a lot happening here and the color clash is unbelievable. But I think a younger person will be able to get away with this. An adult, I don't know. But again, comment below if you feel that, you know, this is something that you would wear. Comment below if you're liking the colors. Comment below if you're a huge Simpson fan, so you buy Simpson memorabilia and this is something that you want in your collection. I can't give you much on comfort because this is not my size, but in terms of ZX type comfort, they're usually good. It's not as cushiony as others, recently more modern trainers, but definitely is comfortable. It will definitely is good for a lifestyle. And this type of trainer, I'm not sure you'll be using for running, but I suppose you could because it's so bright. You know, everyone will see you running down the road, especially if you're running at night. Jokes. But anyway, if you want to see any of my other videos, what is recommended for you is up here. What is the most recent upload down here? Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Take care.